from Sherwood Dodge, presenting with this 2021 Jeep Cherokee 80th anniversary. So it has all the matching trim all around. Of course, LED headlamps, LED lights. This one comes with your passive entry keys, so you don't have to take the keys out of your pocket or purse. It just unlocks the vehicle for you. You're walking away, just press this button to unlock the lock the vehicle. And this one has, of course, your blind zone monitoring, your power seats, heated seats, navigation, dual panoramic sunroof. You got lane departure, and so much more. Of course, Jeep Cherokee, pretty good spacious room in the back. Of course, power tailgate you have on your key fob as well. This one has hitch receiver with 4 and 7 pins, so good for your tiny tailor or bike stand. Also has the rear park sensors. So if you want to take this vehicle on a test drive, please call MJ 780-802-4421 to take this vehicle for a test drive or maybe your new home. Thank you.